Hello everyone, I am P.SASIREKA, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Bharathiyar Arts and Science College for Women, Deviyakurichi. Today we talk about the structure and functions of the human digestive system. This topic includes the contents what is digestion and structure of the digestive system and the main functions of the digestive system. What is digestion? Digestion is defined as a process insoluble complex food materials into soluble simple food materials. Main parts of the digestive system. Following organs that make up the digestive system. First one is mouth, second pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and last one is anus. Organization of the digestive system. Organs of the digestive system is divided into two groups. One is gastrointestinal tract and accessory structure. First, gastrointestinal tract, also called gut. It is starting at the mouth, passing through the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, and ending into the rectum and finally into the anus. Accessory structures include the teeth, tongue and some glands. Teeth and tongue located in the mouth cavity. Some glands also involved in digestive process. They are salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Mouth and oral cavity. The digestive process starts in our mouth. Mastication process which breaks the large food particles into small pieces. The salivary glands secrete saliva and mixed with the food in mouth. Saliva has an enzyme called salivary amylase. Amylase starts break down the starch molecules in the mouth. The food is moistened and pushed into the esophagus. Next, teeth. Mouth contains 4 types of teeth. They are incisor, canine, premolar and molars. Incisor for cutting, canine used for tearing, premolars used for crushing the food and molars used for grinding. The arrangement of teeth in animals using figures is called a dental formula. Dental formula of humans is 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 means 2 indicates 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. Incisor used for cutting, canine used for tearing and premolars used for crushing and molars used for grinding the food. Next, salivary glands. In humans, 3 pairs of salivary glands. They are called parotid, submandibular and sublingual. Sublingual, the salivary glands secrete most of the saliva in the oral cavity using salivary ducts. Saliva consists of 99.5% water and remaining 0.5% dissolved enzymes including amylase. This image indicates 3 types of salivary glands. First one is parotid, submandibular and sublingual. Next, esophagus. The food is from mouth pushed into in the form of bolus. Esophagus. Esophagus is a tube from pharynx to stomach. It exhibits peristalsis movement. Peristalsis movement means waves like movement from mouth to stomach. This is the esophagus. From mouth to stomach, it exhibits peristalsis movement. Peristalsis movement means that is wave like movement from mouth to stomach. Next, stomach. A sac like organ primarily designed for food storage in approximately 2 to 4 hours. Some mechanical and chemical digestion also occur in the stomach. Stomach divided into 4 regions. Cardiac stomach and followed by the fundic stomach and followed by the body of the stomach and followed by pyloric stomach. Stomach contains thick folds called rugae at its layer for providing larger surface area for absorption. This is the esophagus, leads into stomach. This is the cardiac stomach, followed by the fundic stomach. This area fundic stomach, center of the stomach is called the body of the stomach, and followed by the pyloric stomach, and followed by duodenum. Some glands also involved in digestion, like that pancreas. First one is pancreas. Pancreas is a combination of exocrine and endocrine glands. Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice secreted by acini cells of pancreas contains large amount of bicarbonate which neutralize the acidity of food. Pancreatic juice contains many enzymes like trypsin, chymotrypsin, lipase, lactase, nucleases, etc. etc. Pancreas, this is the pancreas, gallbladder, it is the pancreas, accessory pancreatic duct. Pancreas look like a leaf. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. It is chemical factory of the body. It contains 2 lobes. It secretes bile. Bile is important for lipid materials digestion and it stores glycogen. It plays a major role in the digestion. Next one is gallbladder. Gallbladder is a small sac located on the inferior visceral surface of the liver. Stores and concentrates bile secreted by the liver. This is the liver, right lobe and left lobe. This is the gallbladder. Gallbladder only storage organ of the bile. Liver only secretes bile and gallbladder is storage organ of the bile. Bile is important for fat digestion. Next, small intestine, a long tube from stomach to large intestine. It is divided into 3 parts. First one is duodenum and followed by jejunum, and next is ileum. Secretions of the small intestine. Intestinal enzymes, some enzymes secrete by the small intestine. This is maltase, sucrase, lactase, peptidases, lipases, nucleases and etc. The important enzyme secreted by small intestine is called enterokinase. This is the important enzyme for secretion of small intestine. Next one is large intestine. This is the last part of the intestine. Large intestine, also called colon. Colon has 4 limbs. This is the first limb, ascending limb, and followed by transverse limb. This is followed by descending limb. Descending limb leads into sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon open into rectum. Rectum opens into the outside anal canal and followed by anus. This is the last end part of the digestive system. This image shows the complete digestive system. First one is mouth oral cavity and salivary glands located in this area. 3 types of salivary glands located in this part, and followed by esophagus. Esophagus followed by stomach. Stomach is followed by small intestine. Small intestine leads into large intestine. Large intestine has 3 colons and also open into anal canal. Anal canal finally end into the anus. Anus opens to the outside of the body. Now we discuss about major functions of the digestive system. The major functions in 5 ways. These are: first one is ingestion, second one is digestion, and third one is secretion, absorption and excretion, and also called elimination. First one is ingestion. The oral cavity allows food enter into the digestive tract and have mastication occurs, and the resulting the food bolus is swallowed. It is called ingestion. Next one is digestion. Digestion exhibits 2 ways. First one is mechanical digestion and second one is chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion nothing but muscular movement of the digestive tract. It especially in oral cavity and stomach. The second one is chemical digestion. Chemical digestion means the enzymes chemically break down food particles into the nutrient molecules. Third one is secretion. Secretion, enzymes and digestive fluids secreted by the digestive tract and its accessory organ facilitate the chemical digestion. Accessory organs means like that liver, gallbladder, pancreas, etc. Next one is absorption. After the digestion, the nutrients absorbed through the villi. This function occur especially in small intestine. The last one is elimination. Elimination means undigested material will be released through the rectum and anus by defecation. This is the end process of the digestive system. Conclusion: digestion is the form of catabolism in which food is broken down into small molecules that the body can absorb and use for energy, growth and repair of dead cells. And then digestion occurs when food moves through the gut. Digestive process is controlled by both hormones and nerves. Thank you.